if I chop you up in a meat grinder, and the only thing that comes out that's left of you is your eyeball, you're probably dead. You're probably going to, not you, I'm just saying, like, if somebody were to like push you into a meat grinder, and like one of your finger bones is still intact, they're not gonna pick it up and go, well, see, yeah, it wasn't that, it wasn't an instant kill move. You still got like this part of your finger left. No, I'm not gonna put you into a meat grinder. I'm not gonna put you into a meat grinder. No, I'm making a reference. You know what I'm saying. If there's only fucking teeth left, it's fucking, you're dead. You're dead.
I'm gonna take this to the grave, though.
You understand what I'm saying, though? I'm not actually saying I'm gonna put somebody in a meat grinder. God damn it. Hey, dude, like, it's actually not an instant kill. If I were to put you in a meat grinder. I had to use the meat grinder analogy. It didn't work. Sorry. I was just talking about the turtle. I was speaking collectively like this, like a thing that happens.